નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to 13th part of chapter 10, tenths and hundredths of standard 5th mathematics. From the last part we are discussing the practice time, isn't it? And let's solve some more questions in the practice time. So open page number 144. And second question is there that Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Look at the bill. The shopkeeper forgot to put the point correctly in the price. Put the point in the correct place and find out the total amount of bill. So Kiran went with 200 rupee, and but that unfortunately that shopkeeper forgot to put a point in between in the price. So first of all we have to go for we will put the correct point over here in the price, and then after we will go for the bill. So correct bill will be, first of all let's put the point, decimal point, isn't it? So a soap could be cost 1, that is 12 rupee and 50 paisa. Then green gram 1 kg, it may be, it is 50 rupee and 25 paisa. Then tea, that is 250 gram, and that might be 27 rupee and 25 paisa. And coconut oil, it is in liter, 60 rupees. So now we have to total this, and so 0 plus 5 plus 5 10. 10 is 0, 1 kg. 6 to 8 to 0, 10, that is 0, 1 kg. 3 plus 0 plus 7, 3 plus 7 10, once again 0, 1 kg. 2 plus 5 7 plus 2 9 plus 6 15. So the bill is the amount, total amount of bill is 100 rupee and 50 paisa. So this is the correct bill, we can say correct bill. Okay, now let's go further. Third one, which city is cool? In your, can you see a boy is there and a girl is there? They are talking, they are telling something about them. Let's see, which city is cool? So that boy is telling that I live in Himachal. I live in Himachal. There the temperature in winter is 2 degrees Celsius. In winter the temperature is 2 degrees Celsius only. It is too much less, let me tell you. Sometimes water in pipes freeze into ice. Why? Because the temperature is 2 degree or sometimes less than that. At 2 degree also water in pipes will get freeze. But that girl is telling, but in Rajasthan where I live, the temperature reaches up to 48 degrees Celsius. Here it is very hot. One has to walk kilometers to get water. Why? Because there is too much temperature, scarcity of water, that is why. In Rajasthan the temperature reaches up to 48 degrees Celsius and it is very hot. One has to walk kilometers to get water. Now see, in Himachal Pradesh we are talking about the minimum temperature. Now let me tell you, minimum temperature will be at midnight or early in the morning. You will find the minimum temperature. So in Srinagar the temperature is of, we can say at midnight 3 am something, or in the early in the morning. And the maximum temperature in Rajasthan we are talking about maximum temperature. Why? Because it is the temperature reaches up to, that is maximum temperature. and it may be at 12 o'clock noon, 1, 2 o'clock afternoon, that maximum temperature, and it reaches up to 48 degree. That is too much. Okay, so now let's go to the next page, 145. Open page number 145. The temperature in each city was noted at 3 p.m. on 16th January 2008. You can see the map of India here. You can see the map of India, and you can see many cities, name of the cities, and the temperature over there at 3 p.m. that is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Let's see, can you see Srinagar and the temperature of Srinagar? See here, you can see Srinagar, isn't it? And this temperature is 8.1 degrees Celsius. Then in Jaipur, you can see it is 23.2 degrees Celsius. Then in Bhopal, somewhere over here, you can see Bhopal. The temperature is 25.9 degrees Celsius. Now in Mumbai, it is 35.1 degrees Celsius. Then in Thiruvananthapuram, or we can say Thiruvananthapuram, and it is 33.5 degrees Celsius. Then in Chennai, you can see Chennai is somewhere over here, isn't it? In Chennai, it is 29.9 degrees Celsius. Then in Kolkata, here it is Kolkata, it is 26.6 degrees Celsius, and in Guwahati it is 24.8 degrees Celsius in Guwahati. Okay, so this now where the temperature is maximum, can you find out? You can see in Mumbai the temperature is maximum, and that is 35.1 degrees Celsius, and the minimum temperature by 3 o'clock p.m. in which city it is? In the Srinagar, you can see it is 8.1 degrees Celsius. Now let's answer the questions. So, and we will answer the questions available on the page number 45. Which city is cool? So let me go for that 3. Which city is cool? It is written like that only. Which city is cool? Yeah. So the first question is that which place had the highest temperature at 3 p.m.? Which place is the coolest at that time? Now look into that map. You can see Mumbai had the highest temperature at 3 p.m. And Srinagar is the coolest. At that time. So the answer should be like that. I will not write that answer, just I am telling you. You can see in your textbook, and whatever I am telling you, I am speaking, you should write as answer. So the answer should be Mumbai had the highest temperature at 3 p.m. and Srinagar is the coolest at that time. That should be answer. Now the second question. How much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that in Srinagar? Okay. So here we have to answer. See, temperature in Mumbai is. Let me answer this second question. Temperature in Mumbai is equal to, in Mumbai is equal to 35.1 Mumbai, like this. Mumbai 35.1 degrees Celsius, and the another, that is difference of, that is Srinagar. So temperature in Srinagar is equal to 8.1 degrees Celsius, isn't it? So difference, so is equal to deduct the lowest temperature from the highest, so it is 35.1 degrees Celsius minus 8.1 degrees Celsius, and the answer, see, 1 minus 1 0, 35 minus 8, it is 27 degrees Celsius. So the answer, how we can write the answer? The temperature in Mumbai is 27.0 degree Celsius higher from that in Srinagar. The difference is 27 degree. That is why the answer is the temperature in Mumbai is 27 degree higher from that in Srinagar. That could be the answer. Now let's go for the third one. Third one is, how many degree will the temperature need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram? The question is what? See, in Thiruvananthapuram you can see the temperature is 33.5 degrees Celsius, isn't it? In Thiruvananthapuram you can see the temperature is 33.5 degrees Celsius. Now, how many degree it should rise so that the temperature will be reached up to 40 degrees Celsius? The current temperature is 33.5. For that, what we should do? Method should be, see, it should reach up to 40 degree now. So 40 degree. Let's deduct the temperature of Thiruvananthapuram, that is 33.5 degrees Celsius, isn't it? So let's see what is the difference. 6.5. It is 6.5 degrees Celsius. 6.5 degrees Celsius, isn't it? So if the temperature will rise up to 60.5 degrees Celsius, then it will reach up to 40 degrees Celsius, isn't it? So from that question, what it should be the answer? 6.5 degrees Celsius degrees. The temperature will need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, this should be the answer. Now the fourth question. Let's see the next question. How much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from Chennai? How much lower is the temperature in Kolkata from that in Chennai? Let's see. See, temperature in Chennai is, I am answering directly. Now I am answering. What you will write as answer, that is what I am speaking. First of all, you will write temperature in Chennai is equal to 29.9 degrees Celsius. And temperature in Kolkata is equal to, see, the temperature in Kolkata is equal to 26.6 degrees Celsius. So difference. So this is answer of, this is the answer of fourth one. So fourth. So difference is equal to 29.9 degrees Celsius minus 26.6 degrees Celsius, isn't it? And is equal to 3.3 degrees Celsius. Deduct this, it is very easy. 3.3. So the answer is temperature in Kolkata is 3.3 degree Celsius lower than that in Chennai. You should write in such way. So we had answered that one also. Now fifth question. The fifth question is that the temperature in these cities was also noted at 3 am. See, that temperature in the map was at 3 pm in the afternoon. Now this is 3 am, that is at midnight. So the temperature in these cities was also noted at 3 am on the same day. Look at the table and answer the questions. So here you can see a table is there. Table is there. Now let's see. City Chennai, and the temperature is 21.1 degrees Celsius. In Mumbai 19.0 degree. Thiruvananthapuram 21.6 degree. Can you see? Look into your textbook. In Kolkata 13.1 degree. Bhopal 9.8 degree. Srinagar 1.3 degrees Celsius. 1.3 degree. See, 1.3 degree, it is too cold, and even the water in the pipeline will get freezed. That is the temperature. Then Guwahati 12.8 degree and Jaipur 10.2 degree. Okay. So now the first question. Okay. Fifth A. Okay. This is fifth A. Which place had the lowest temperature at 3 am? Imagine yourself to be there and describe how it would feel. Now, from this table, find out which city has the lowest temperature. You can see Srinagar. Srinagar has the lowest temperature up to 1.3 degrees Celsius. It is too cold. So, the answer should be Srinagar had the lowest temperature at 3 am. Now imagine yourself to be there and describe how it would feel. अब इतनी cold है and you have never faced this type of temperature, then what you will do? आपने कभी ऐसा temperature कभी feel नहीं किया है, then what you will do? Suppose you may answer like that. If I would be there, I will have to wear woolen clothes, and I will go to bed as early as possible, or I will go to bed by starting that room heater. That is also could be answer. You may answer that I will wear many woolen clothes and will go to outside to feel that temperature at midnight, but nobody will go outside at the midnight. That is why the answer should be I will start the room heater and will go to sleep. Okay. The next question. B. What is the difference between the temperature at 3 am and 3 pm in Chennai and Bhopal? So let's answer that, so that then after our this chapter will get over. So answer of fifth B. Instead of this A, let me write fifth B. Okay. So temperature at 3 am. Let's answer for the temperature of Chennai. Chennai first. Here it is Chennai. Okay. So the temperature at 3 pm. Temperature at 3 pm in Chennai. We are talking about Chennai. is equal to 29.9 degrees Celsius. This is Chennai. And temperature at 3 a.m. is equal to 21.1 degree Celsius. So the difference is equal to 29.9 degrees Celsius minus 21.1 degrees Celsius, and is equal to it will be 8.8 degrees Celsius. 8.8 degrees Celsius. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8, and 2 minus 2 is 0. That is why 8.8 degrees Celsius. So thus the difference between, so once again you have to answer, thus the difference between temperature at 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. in Chennai is 8.8 degrees Celsius. This could be the answer. Now the next one, that is, let's write here, that is Srinagar, that is Bhopal. So for Bhopal, okay, temperature at 3 p.m. in Bhopal. Let us see the temperature at 3 p.m. That is 25.9 degrees Celsius. 25.9 degrees Celsius. And temperature at 3 a.m. is equal to, in Bhopal, 9.8 degrees Celsius. 9.8 degrees Celsius. So difference. Is equal to 25.9 degrees Celsius minus 9.8 degrees Celsius is equal to. Now you may deduct from here. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Then decimal point. 5 minus 9, not possible. So take 10 from here. So 15 minus 9 is 6 degree, and here 1 is there, that is 1. 16.1 degree Celsius. So once again you should answer the difference between the temperature at 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. is 16.1 degrees Celsius in Bhopal. Okay, so I think with this our chapter is over. We have completed all the exercise, and I have just made you understand only. I didn't write complete answer, but I hope you must have get these ideas, and watch this video 2 to 3 times so that you can understand this, and we'll meet you in the next chapter. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.